Hi IPSY, I'm Britta Plug. I'm a licensed esthetician and holistic beauty educator. Today we'll be doing some facial Gua Sha. The benefits include depuffing, lifting, sculpting, firming the skin, and releasing muscular tension while experiencing an overall increased glow. So you always want to start with clean skin, clean hands, and a clean Gua Sha stone. You'll apply oil or balm to your face, neck, and shoulders. I'm going to start now on the back of the neck, and on the neck and shoulders, we can use pretty firm pressure. Remember that it should always feel good. So working my way around the neck, I'm going to start to come downwards to release muscular tension over the top of the shoulders. When we start to come to the front of the neck, we want to use significantly lighter pressure. This part of the neck is much more delicate. Now I'm coming on to the face, starting under the chin and sweeping out to the ear. The other hand starts to play a role here. I call it the anchor hand, to secure the skin in place and prevent over tugging. My stone is quite flat so that I have a lot of surface area in contact with the bottom of the chin. Next, coming up to the jaw. Again, if your stone has a curve or a nook, you can snuggle the jawbone in there. Otherwise, come just above the jawbone. And angle starts to become much more important now that we're on the face. So we don't want the stone perpendicular to the skin. We want it at a close angle so that a lot of surface area is in contact with the skin. Working over the cheekbone now. Coming now to the under eye, using extra light pressure here. The skin is so thin and delicate. You really just want to feel the contact with the stone and glide it out to the temple. And now I'm going to come onto the forehead, lifting straight up from the eyebrow to the hairline. And then coming to the third eye stroke, starting below the eyebrows in the center of the forehead and gliding up to the hairline. If your stone has a comb edge, you can use that with very light pressure, like a pencil eraser, to work on any little fine lines and wrinkles you may have. After doing facial Gua Sha, always make sure to drink lots of water to flush through anything you've released. Thank you so much for joining me.